If you've ever wanted to start a business but don't want to be on camera or show your face, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a profitable faceless digital marketing business from scratch. Whether you're just starting out or have no idea what faceless marketing is, I'll walk you through every step. And you want to make sure that you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to show you how you can start making money from faceless marketing as soon as possible without having to show your face or buy a $500 course to begin. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Faceless marketing is when you promote and sell products or services online without showing your face. You don't need to be on camera, and people don't even have to know who you are. You could create content, run ads, or sell products and services behind the scenes. So you're probably saying, why would someone want to do this? Well, a lot of people are very camera shy, or maybe you just don't want to deal with being the face of your business. With faceless marketing, you can still make money online, have a brand, and build a business without putting yourself out there. There are tons of ways to make money with faceless marketing, like selling digital products, running affiliate marketing campaigns, or promoting other people's businesses through ads. And the best part, you can do this from anywhere in the world, only if you have your phone and your Wi-Fi. If you're on Instagram, then I'm pretty sure you've been seeing a lot of faceless content pages, because it's been very popular within these last few months. So let's get into exactly what you need to do. Now, I know you're tired of hearing me say you need to choose a niche and target audience, but this is super important because your niche is the area or topic that you're going to focus on. If you don't do this in the beginning of building your faceless business, you won't know what kind of content to post or how to monetize your faceless page. Think of it like this. What is something that you're interested in or passionate about? It could be fitness, cooking, personal finance, or even gaming. The more specific you can get, the better. For example, instead of just fitness, you can focus on fitness for busy moms or home workouts for beginners. You want to get as specific as possible when it comes to who you are targeting and what you're going to post. To pick a niche, you want to make sure that you pick something that you enjoy, so it doesn't feel like it's a job. You want to make sure that it's a demand for it. Do some quick research on Google or here on YouTube to see if people are talking about that specific topic. You don't have to be an expert, but it helps to have some knowledge or interest in the topic, because this is what you will be generating content around in order for you to drive sales to your faceless digital marketing business. Once you've chosen your niche, you're ready for the next step, and that's going to be setting up your faceless brand. A brand is how people recognize your business, and since you're going faceless, you will need a few things to make it work. The first thing you want to do is pick a name. Your brand name should relate to your niche. If you're in fitness, it can be something like Fit Life Pro or Home Workout Academy. Make sure it's going to be something easy to remember. The second thing you want to do is create a logo. You don't have to hire an expensive designer. You can use free tools like Canva to make a simple logo. Your logo should reflect your brand's vibe. Keep it clean and make sure that it's something that's going to be simple. Third thing you want to do is make sure you get a social media account. Even though you won't be showing your face, you'll still need social media accounts to promote your business. I suggest starting your faceless content on Instagram and focusing on one platform at a time. And you want to make sure your profile picture is your logo and not your personal photo, because this is a faceless business brand. Fourth thing you want to do is make sure you have a website or a landing page. If you're selling digital products or running ads, you'll need a website or at least a landing page. I recommend you to use Stand Store because it's very beginner friendly, and you're able to sell any type of digital products, coaching calls, courses, and more on their website. It gives you a link in the bio, so you won't need to add one, as in Linktree. You'll also be able to give away freebies to collect emails and start your email funnels to drive more sales. Another good thing about saying is you can get a 14-day free trial to see how it works. So if you're interested in getting started with them, you can use my link down in the description to get started and get that 14-day free trial. You might be wondering how you can make content without showing your face. Don't worry, there are tons of ways to do so. The first way is by screen recording. If your niche is something like tech, design, or gaming, you can record your computer screen while showing tutorials, tips, or reviews. Softwares like Loom lets you record your screen, and you can add a voiceover or background music when you're using Instagram. The second way is to do slideshows or text overlays. If you're in a niche like personal finance or motivation, you can create slideshows with tips and advice. You want to use Canva to design your slides and then turn them into videos by adding music and voiceovers. You can also use text overlay videos for platforms like TikTok or again for your Instagram reels. This way you're giving valuable information without ever showing your face. The third way is for you to use voiceovers in stock videos. Another way to make faceless content is by using stock footage. You can download free or paid stock videos from sites like Pixels or Unsplash and record your own voice talking over them. This really works well for things like storytelling, product reviews, or tutorials. Even though this is faceless content, it still needs to be valuable. You want to make sure you're giving your audience tips, tutorials, or advice that they can use. Once you've gotten your content rolling, you want to start making money by promoting digital products. There are three main ways to do this. The first way is to create your own digital product. You can create things like ebooks, courses, digital planners, or templates. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you could create a digital workout guide. If you're in the finance niche, you might want to sell budgeting templates or courses on managing money. The second way is affiliate marketing. If you don't want to create your own products, you can promote other people's products through affiliate marketing. For example, if you're in the tech niche, you could promote software or gadgets and get a commission every time someone buys through your link. Sign up for affiliate programs on websites like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale, and include your affiliate links in your content once you begin to promote. And the third way is MRR and PLR products. This is the best way to start making money as soon as possible. MRR means master resale rights, and PLR is private label rights. I'm sure a lot of you have seen people talk about the course UBC and how it's been life-changing for them and how they're making so much money from using UBC, selling their digital products to start their brand. And the price for the UBC is $497. But if you're like me, you may not have or want to spend $497 to buy a course. Although I've been selling digital products since 2021, I recently bought a course that teaches you how to grow your Instagram account without having to show your face and how to generate money from doing so. This course is packed with a lot of information that breaks down how to grow using your reels, your Instagram stories, growing your email list, and so much more. Within this course, you also get 90 days worth of content ideas that gives you 100 hooks, call to actions to get more sales, and more. I've been in business since 2017, and I never took Instagram serious because I didn't know how to use it to my advantage. But this course has helped me to grow my Faceless account, to start getting more followers, to convert later on into sales. And y'all, I'm someone who struggled with consistency because I'm not always looking the part daily, but being able to promote without showing my face has really really helped me to stay consistent on Instagram with posting 2 times a day and being able to post in my stories throughout the day. So if you're interested in this course, you can click the link down in my description and grab it for $97. And once you learn everything from it, you can rebrand it as your own and begin reselling it to make your money back and more. Step 5 is all about building your audience. Without an audience, it's hard to grow your business or make sales. But you're probably wondering, how do you do this when you're faceless? The first thing you want to do is be consistent. The number 1 rule is consistency. Post regularly on your social media platform and make sure your content matches your niche. Depending on which social media platform you decide, you can begin to post videos, blogs, or even memes as long as it relates to your audience and what they are interested in. The most popular way to do this is by using those reels on Instagram and your stories on Instagram. The second thing you want to do is engage with your audience. Even though you're not showing your face, you still need to engage with your followers. Reply to their comments, answer their questions, and ask them what type of content they'd like to see next. The more you interact, the more trust you begin to build. Even though you're not showing your face, people still want to know that they can relate to what it is that your business has to offer. So you want to find ways to engage with your target audience. Once you've set up your Faceless brand, created content, promoted products, and start building an audience, it's time for you to begin scaling your business. Scaling just means growing your business to make even more money. So here's how you can do that. The first thing you can do is run paid ads. Once you start making a little bit of money, consider reinvesting it into paid ads. You can run ads on Facebook or Instagram. The key is to start small and test what works before spending a lot of money. I'm sure a lot of you have already been seeing ads from things that you have already looked into, and then you begin seeing those ads pop up, and you're probably saying, how do Facebook or Instagram know that I've been looking at this? This is because people are paying for ads to get in front of you to make you want to buy it, because it's something you've already been searching into anyway. Another way to scale is to diversify your income. You don't want to rely on just one income stream. In addition to selling digital products, you can begin offering services, starting a blog, or create a YouTube channel that still doesn't require showing your face. You can start taking one-on-one coaching calls, group sessions, and monthly membership sessions to make even more money. It is endless to the amount of things you can do in order for you to begin generating money using digital products. I hope you found this video to be helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or any concerns about starting your Faceless digital product business, digital marketing business, make sure you let me know down in the comments so that I can make videos around topics to help you guys begin generating money online. I am Tiara. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you stick around and watch more videos that's going to be able to help you begin generating money online. I will talk to you guys here on my next video. Bye.